friends. Good morning, everybody. How are you? What about last day's class? In the last class, we have learned the properties of matter and the arrangement of particles. Am I right? Okay. Today we are going to learn about the change of state. How can we change a solid into liquid and liquid into gas and again gas into liquid and liquid into solid? Then what are the methods by which we can change a solid particle into a liquid? That is called liquefaction. So by liquefaction we can change a solid into a liquid. Then how can we change a liquid into gas? You know that we are boiling water in the gas, in the stove. So that means when we boil it, it is changed into its gaseous form. Am I right? So that is called vaporization or evaporation. Then how can we change a gas particles into a liquid particles? You know that if you are keeping a lid over the vessel for boiling the water, then we can see that the steam is condensed into liquid particles. Am I right? That means when we open the lid, we can see the droplets of water. That is called solidification. Am I right? Or condensation. Then how can we change a liquid into a solid particle? You know that you are keeping water in the freezer to get ice particles. Am I right? So a liquid can be changed into solid by solidification, or we can say that we can keep it in the freezer or freezing, we can say. Is it clear? Okay. So this method can be do it in this way. That is, solid can be changed into liquid by liquefaction and liquid into gas by vaporization and again gas into liquid by condensation and again liquid into solid by solidification. And this solid can be directly converted into gas. That is called sublimation. Is it clear that? Do you know what is sublimation? Sublimation is the process by which a solid particle can be changed directly into its gaseous form without changing into its liquid form. That is called sublimation. You know that some of the particles are having this type of sublimation. That means iodine, you know that iodine, naphthalene, camphor and ammonium chloride. These materials or these substances undergo sublimation. That means when we heat it or when we keep it, then it is directly changed into gaseous form. You know that a naphthalene, you might have seen Patagliga. You know what is Patagliga? If you are keeping on the table, after some time we cannot see that one. It disappears. That means it is directly changed into its gaseous form. In camphor also like that. When we heat it, it is directly changed into its gaseous form without changing into its liquid form. So that is called sublimation. So which are the substances undergo sublimation? Example, naphthalene, camphor, ammonium chloride and iodine. Is it clear that? So that is called sublimation. Then you know that this diffusion. So we can see about diffusion. What is diffusion? You know that you might have seen or you might have noticed the smell of biryani or the smell of fried fish reaches from the faraway place. Why does it come? Do you know that? You might have feel that. Am I correct? Okay. Then how does it come? It is because of this diffusion. That means gaseous particles may diffuse or mix it with other gaseous particles or air. That is called diffusion. Diffusion means is the spontaneous mixing of different particles having freedom of movement.